Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twitch Prime with Amazon Prime step by step clearly. To activate Twitch Prime with Amazon Prime, start by ensuring you have an active Amazon Prime membership. Open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Sign in to your Amazon account using your email and password. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your account. Scroll down to find the Memberships and Subscriptions section. Click on Amazon Prime. Next, open a new tab and go to the Twitch website. If you don't have a Twitch account, sign up for one using your email address or connect with another service like Google or Facebook. If you already have a Twitch account, simply log in. After logging in, look for the profile icon located in the top right corner of the Twitch homepage. Click on the profile icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, choose the Connections tab. Scroll down until you find the Amazon section. Here, click on the Connect button next to Amazon. A new window will prompt you to sign in to your Amazon account again. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. Once connected, you will see a confirmation that your Twitch account is now linked to your Amazon Prime account. You may now enjoy all Twitch Prime benefits, including free monthly channel subscriptions and exclusive in-game loot. To redeem your benefits, go back to the Twitch homepage. Hover over your profile icon again and select Prime Loot. Browse through the available loot and claim what you want. Enjoy your Twitch Prime perks as you continue streaming and gaming. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.